Hello, Jordan here from Tools for Sparks. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, really glad that you've joined us, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can have regular video updates from me. So today I've got this Knipex Ergostrip tool to review, and I must admit I've seen these all over social media lately. People have been raving about them and I wanted to know why, so I've got myself one of these. They're a bit like gold dust. It took me a while to get hold of it on Amazon because they were sold out originally, but I've managed to get myself one of these now and I'm really looking forward to using it. So the Ergostrip tool is nice and neatly packaged with this pop-out packaging. So I'm just going to pop that open. It's not actually vacuum sealed or anything like that, so it just pops open, which is really nice. I'm just going to take this out because this gives us some direction about the types of cable that it's designed to actually strip. So it's designed for various types of cables. So you've got coax, you can use it for 4.8 to 7.5 mil diameter. Then normal kind of flexible cables or HO cables, 8 to 13 mil in diameter. Cat 5 to 7 UTP and STP, so data cables basically. Solid core singles, so twin and earth, for example, the wires within that you can strip anywhere from 0.2 to 4 mil wires with it, and then also very fine stranded wires, 0.2 to 4 mil there as well. And it's kind of designed as a bit of a multi-tool for stripping cables, really. Now my first thought is that it feels really nice and comfortable in the hand. It just sits well, feels like good quality. You've got this clip on the side here to open it up. So as soon as you clip that back, it'll swing open. And there are various functions of this. It's got actually 5 different blades in it, I believe. So you've got the little blades here are designed for stripping wires anywhere from 0.2 mil up to 4 mil. So you've got 0.2, 0.3, 0.8, 1.5, 2.5 and 4. Obviously the 1.5 will do 1 mil as well. It's just as a rough guide. On the end here you've got 2 blades which are for stripping around cables to strip the sheath off. You've got the same on this end but slightly smaller, so you can use that for thinner cables. And in here you've got another blade which you can use to actually strip along the length of a cable. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how all of this works now anyway. And we'll start off by demonstrating it on a piece of flexible 1 mil cable that I've got. So this is just some 1 mil 3-core flex that I had lying around, and I'm going to use this blade to actually strip the sheath off this cable first. So all you do is twist and pull. Super easy, super quick. And you notice there it doesn't nick into the wires at all. The blade thickness is perfectly designed so that it won't strip into the wires. So really easy to strip the outer sheath of a cable. And then to strip the individual wires, I'm just going to use this 1.5 setting. And it just is super easy. The blades are really nice and sharp. You just close it, pull the wire, and it strips. So that is really, really nice so far. And again, it's not cut any of the copper strands in the wire. It's just stripped the outer sheath off, the insulation off the wire, and that is ready then to crimp some ferrules on or whatever you want to do. So that's really, really nice, and that works super well. What about if we want to use this blade to actually strip along the outer sheath of a cable? Let's try that. So we'll put this outer sheath in there, and then we'll just drag it along. And now you can see that has actually just scored the outer sheath of the cable and cut straight through it, but it hasn't damaged any of the wires within. So that's what we want to see. That's absolutely fantastic, and I can actually do that down the whole length of the cable if I want to. So I can just strip along there like that, boom, and then dead easy to remove the wires from that cable. And that's it. So fantastic functions so far. What about with data cables? So I've got here a couple of lengths of data cable. This one is Cat 6 UTP, so it's unshielded twisted pair, and this is Cat 6, I think a FTP foiled twisted pair, I believe. Yeah, FTP. Oh, it's Cat 5e FTP, and then we've got this one which is Cat 6, I believe, UTP. So let's try that. So because these cables are a bit smaller, I'm going to use the this end of the stripper, which is what's recommended when you look into the instruction guide there for data cables. And I'm just going to put that in there, score around it and pull, and once again that has done a fantastic job. And then I'm ready to go with terminating my cable into my data socket or whatever it might be. I wonder if I can actually even use this to just cut that. No, okay, so you still need a little bit of side cutters to cut that, but that's no problem. Now the same with the FTP, so we just twist and pull, and that has scored around the cable. It's not cut through the foil. I wonder if I go a little bit harder, if it will cut through the foil. Yeah, that's scored through the foil now, but it hasn't scored through the wires, which is exactly what we want to see. So again, brilliant job. And you can even use this, because these actual internal wires for the data cables are very, very thin, but you could still even use this for stripping those. So for example, the point 2, I think, probably, yeah, there we go, the 0.2mm setting, and you can use that to actually strip your data cable wires, even if you want to. Not that I can see any reason why you would, but you never know. So that is a fantastic little feature. And again, if we want to just strip along the length of our data cable, we can just use this tool here to score along it and just open that up, and that hasn't damaged the internal cable at all, but it's scored it really nicely. I got myself this as well, and this is proving to be a real lifesaver again for stripping the armoured. It's just absolutely ideal. So overall, this is a fantastic tool. I think I'm going to be using this a lot when it comes to stripping flexible cables and data cables, coax, etc. And one of the things I love about it as well is that you can get this right into, imagine this is in a back box, you can get this right into the back box and use it to score around the cable right back at the cable entry point, which is really handy. So yeah, great little tool. Let me know in the comments, do you have one of these? There's a link in the description where you can buy one of these for yourself. And if you have any comments about these, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.